Yeah, it's so cool.
Very cool.
It's like,
It's messy and
no,
disgusting.
it's messy and disgusting, but it's so different. It's so weird.
Yeah, very weird.
Alfie, you give it a go. You haven't actually done it yet. Really? Okay.
That's fun.
It is very messy.
So, shall we get started then?
Nice. It all turns to solid at the bottom, and then it gets really hard if you add more liquid. It depends how much liquid you add. If you add a short amount of liquid, it will just kind of slightly go into quite a gooey structure, but then if you add more, it's actually really hard.
Really hard.
Then you need to take chunks out of it.
I mean, if you add like
and then mould it
whole
around a bit, and it
container of liquid, it will really
just
make it
goes
solid,
into
rock
liquid.
solid.
Nice. Just melts in your hand,
Yeah.
back into liquid. It's such a weird substance. It's so
Very
cool.
weird substance.
Just by adding water,
And we'll be adding it into our coke.
the molecular structure changes. This is chemistry, guys. Oh, that's cool. As you can see, if you put your finger in slowly, it will all turn to liquid and you can put it out easily. But then if you try and put it in fast,
Yeah. It kind of turns into solid and then you can't really, put it out as fast, and look, it's stuck at the moment.
oh well no, it's like a solid, we're just kind of breaking it apart.
Yeah.
But we need to get it kind of... Look how quickly it solidifies. It's so cool.
Yeah, it really does solidify quick.
Now it's like custard. Put it in fast.
It's really
Oh no, it's a shame.
thick bit at the bottom. See that?
Now if I let it solidify, a little longer. That's really hard to get out. There we go. Four Mentos and a whole bottle.
Yeah. Take two.
Okay, I need to do
Need
this
to
one.
kind of position it.
Ah, that's a bit better. Tastes the same.
What are you doing now?
We're going to put a hole through the Mento so that we
Yeah.
can tie it and do this experiment a lot more professionally.
Yeah, so what happens is we made a hole in the lid, we threaded a string through the Mento, and what we're basically going to do is put it on the coke and yeah, we'll see how it goes.
The plan is a lot more professional, and this time we've got a piece of string and we're hanging the Mentos through a little hole in the lid, and basically we're just going to try and drop them through, and hopefully there'll be a big explosion or something cool. So,
Yeah.
here we go. You tie it on.
Okay, so should I screw this on?
Screw that on. Go slightly that way. Nice. Okay, now you can hold. Okay, now screw it on tightly. Slightly screw it on. Okay, now I want you to hold this tightly, and then let it go when you want.
Right.
3,
3,
2,
2,
1, go.
Oh wait. Oh.
Oh no. Okay, lower it down.
When you let it down, you run away. You don't wait for the damn thing to explode. Okay guys, action.
Okay. So guys, so far we haven't actually successfully managed to put the lid back
down
on.
to our last two
And we're
bottles.
down to our last two bottles. So We're gonna just do it and try and put the lid back on afterwards.
Again.
Try and build up pressure.
Yeah.
And hopefully it'll work. I mean, it's quite hard because it goes up so quickly.
Yeah,
But,
I think
it's all about speed. It's all about timing.
I think actually we should use one Mentos, to be honest.
I think we should use 2 because there is a difference. There is a difference. Okay.
Okay, so right.
Okay. Put this in time.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Quick! Oh my god! Oh, it's gone.
Ah!
I think there's
it's too hard.
There's a crucial
There's a
2
crucial
seconds.
second. There's a crucial second.
Where,
Maybe we should just do.
Nah, I think we're down to our.
Should we just do 1 Mento? Yeah, I know. It's just if you put it a little bit quicker, then yeah, I think it's just 1 second.
Yeah, see that's why that 1 Mento is.
So we've only got 1 bottle left. The result?
Great.
Well, yeah, the results haven't been incredible.
I think the
I
best
guess,
one is the one where we made that little firework.
I think you need a lot of Coke, but if you pour Coke into that container, it loses some of the gas, some of the zip.
Yeah,
so
but we had 8
I think you need a bigger
bottles.
bottle of Coke. You need more Mentos, and you need a really good way of putting the lid on fast.
Yeah, we can't do that because we run out.
Yeah, that's the last chance.
Okay.
Right, guys, today we are going to do the same thing as we did yesterday, but we're instead using Diet Coke, Coca Lights, and we have 3 bottles of 1.5 litres. Okay?
Yeah, so hopefully a bigger explosion, basically. We're going to try and get the right mix of Mentos and Coke, so it goes high up into the air.
We have some solutions.
Okay. Yeah, you just stop. Okay.
Right, are you filming? Right, so we're going to swap 2 Mentos.
We're just going to see how high it goes.
So it has
So
no lid.
I'm not going to put the lid back on afterwards.
So no lid back on. And I'm just going to, how about, shall you can slot 1 Mento and I'll slot.
No, just slot both of them.
Okay, I'm going to slot both of these Mentos in. See what happens, okay? So 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah, there we go. That's better.
Brilliant, that was brilliant.
That was good.
Absolutely.
That was
brilliant.
high.
Oh my god, look at the other
And there's no
Mentos.
Coke left.
No Coke left.
That's brilliant.
I like that, guys. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
That was nice. It's like a
That was
fountain.
it.
A
Yeah.
fountain of Coke.
A fountain of Coke.
And it's still coming. It's still on.
Yeah, I think that was better than last time. Actually.
So, what is the right way to proceed to make a fountain of Coke? What is the recipe?
Well, what you need to do, Diet Coke, and you just need a 1.5 litre bottle. Works very well actually because there's enough Coke, and yeah, it really makes a good fountain when it's like up in the air.
So I think 2 Mentos will get you a good little
Yeah.
fountain about this high. Yeah, I mean, I think if you're going to make the bottle explode, you need to be really good at putting the lid back on quickly.
Yeah.
And you need to have like a knife or something, or you need to just kind of, yeah.
Yeah, if you had a knife, you can just, and then it will really get the pressure.
Yeah.
But yeah, we created big pressure on these bottles, especially when the Coke was kind of, doing its thing just as the Mentos falling.
Yeah.
So yeah,
The recipe, Diet Coke, big bottle and Mentos.
yeah.
Jumping back on.